I didn't, doggone it, I didn't get the whole thing in the frame. Don't mess with Hallie.
You better watch it here in the war zone.
I know.
It's snowing pretty good now. Friendly fire. Did you get that?
Yeah, I guess so. I couldn't see it because I was looking at this.
Lexi's tried to throw it at me and she hit Hallie in the shoulder and Hallie turned around and started pelting her. Oh, it's snowing heavy now. Hey, that's an ice ball.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hallie, you start again.
Ah, there's a good one.
Hallie, it's your turn. Wait. When I get out there,
Heads up, Hallie. Oh man, I think this camera's getting wet.